Could AI replace auditors? Today, we explore how AI is transforming internal audit and why human auditors are still essential. In today's auditing landscape, artificial intelligence isn't a futuristic concept. It's a present-day reality. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the process by analyzing entire data sets, not just samples. They process millions of transactions in moments, flagging potential anomalies with incredible precision. This automation of repetitive tasks frees up auditors to concentrate on higher-value work, shifting their focus from manual checking to strategic analysis, risk assessment, and exercising professional judgment. AI excels at processing vast amounts of financial data with incredible speed. It analyzes entire ledgers, not just samples, to detect subtle patterns, identify anomalies, and predict potential risks. However, AI lacks the nuanced understanding of a seasoned professional. It cannot replicate human judgment, navigate complex ethical dilemmas, or grasp the intricate business context behind the numbers. This is where the modern auditor shines, taking AI-generated insights, applying critical thinking, and providing strategic guidance to help management make informed, forward-thinking decisions. The role of the auditor is evolving from a historical record keeper into a forward-looking strategic partner. With AI automating repetitive tasks like data reconciliation, auditors are freed to focus on higher-value activities. This means dedicating more time to complex risk assessment, evaluating internal controls, and providing crucial advisory services to management. Ultimately, the core of auditing, professional skepticism, ethical judgment, and building client trust, remains an irreplaceable human endeavor that technology can augment but never replace. Embrace AI tools, learn data analytics, and upskill in AI auditing. Adapting to technology makes auditors indispensable. AI won't replace auditors, it will empower them. Smart, tech-savvy auditors will lead the future of internal audit. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI and auditing insights.